Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I am here with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for May 2022. I know, I'm a little bit late. No, I finished my first 7 layouts for the month of May, got those posted, and because I was following RTS on her Patreon channel for her Cut Apart or Cut Ups series, this is a continuation of that. So 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We originally went up to 12 layouts with the original part of her series. So today is day number 10, and I will show you what I am starting with as far as papers go. This is the paper that I had cut down for this layout. Here. That one was an additional piece. Here. This is the background piece of paper that I added. And it is a basic gray basics called Blue Line. It is a 2009 collection. I bought a whole packet of those and I have just loved using them throughout this because they tend to work really well with the paper and embellishments that I have pulled in. So additionally, along with this, I'm pulling in this scrap of paper, this scrap of paper, this scrap of paper. Yes, I have one just exactly like it. And then I am pulling in this border strip. I am pulling in, I have one photo. I have enamel dots and hearts. I have washi strips. I have washi tape. I have these border strips from Pink Paisley. I even pulled in these little 2 scraps from yesterday left over. We'll see if I can get those used. I'm determined to use that all up. This set of stickers I pulled in again. I have quite a few left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those arrows, 2 little tabs here, a full-on border strip here, a partial border strip, and a second partial border strip. And then I pulled in some of the ephemera that I had. So I have this little piece that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. Same with this, same with this. That's a stone looking label. There's a little button that I have previously stamped and fussy cut. And that's a pocket page card. So if you want to see my original May 2022 kit, make sure go to this is my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit, so go to my May 2022 playlist and you'll find it there. More stuff that I have pulled in and stamped and fussy cut. There's a tab from a scrap piece of paper. Another one of those stone stickers. That's just a journal spot, and that's part of a pocket page card that I didn't get used on another layout, so I pulled it in to try and use it on this one. So that's everything that I'm starting with. If you will give me a few minutes, I will be back and show you what I have created. Okay friends, I'm done with this layout. The only thing that I did not use was a set of enamel dots. Let me show you what I did use. I used both rolls of washi tape that I pulled out. These are my leftover papers here. I cut this one down to create a border strip. I used this to back my photos. This set of enamel dots I used. This set of enamel hearts I used. Here are the bits and pieces of things that I cut out. I did not use this sticker. That's the other thing that I didn't use. I did use the washi strips. This one here off both sheets. I did use a small piece from here, so yay, that is nearly used up. I did use a couple of these arrows from this sheet. I pulled in this alphabet set as well as the green alphabet set to create my title and date. And yes, I did use those 2 little bits and pieces from this page. I also pulled in a Martha Stewart punch that I haven't used in a while, but it's one of my favorites. And it has that scallop border on it with the little pokey piece in between the scallops. So here's the layout that I created. And you can see, here is where the border is that I punched. Washi tape, that was the original strip of paper, original piece of paper, and here is the extra paper. Washi strip, there's the washi strip from Freckled Fawn, and then that's the border strip that I added in. Over here I have, I used the larger square here to cut the stone look square here behind this embellishment cluster, and then I put the other piece over here. There's that piece of sticker that I had left over there, and then the other one is over here. There's my pocket page card that I punched out with just a scallop circle punch, and that is this one from Marvy, and it is 1.5. Enamel dots, hearts. There's some little hearts that I had punched out from some scraps. There's a piece that I had stamped and previously fussy cut, and I added additional couple in. I put one here, I put one here, and then I cut one apart here and put a little bit behind each one. I used the title to create mask face, and then there's the little arrow, and I put one of those from the, here's the title here. That green is from the green font set. Here's the other sticker and another piece from the green font. Little bits and pieces that I've popped up with foam adhesive. There's that clock that I fussy cut out. There's that little strip there of that clear, and I cut some off from under here and put it up here. I know it's probably, you'll see the reflection of that shiny piece more than anything, but part of it's up there just to give a little extra texture. I went over, and I'm not 100% certain about this. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to change it. I put that green font over top of my February date. I'm not 100% in love with that, and I did pop that bicycle up on foam adhesive as well. So here is layout number 10. I will have close-ups at the end, and I am going to change where this location is. I might change it over here just to have it around the layout somewhere because I want to remember the year. But I might go smaller on that. We'll see. I'll do something with it. Anywho, I appreciate you guys being here. If you're interested in seeing the rest of this series, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.